Om Swastiastu! Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share one of Indonesian famous sambal from West Sumatra called Sambal Lado Mudo or Sambal Ijo. This is made with green chili that are mild spicy and so yummy to accompany anything. This is side dish regularly served with Padang food. So for the first time, I tried this sambal when I was in Riau Archipelago of Sumatra. My auntie bought me nasi Padang and came with this sambal, and I fell in love instantly and still do. So let's make it. First, let me show you to all the ingredients I'm going to use later. So here I have big green chili, small green chili, green tomato, shallots, garlic, fresh lime fruit, some coconut oil, white beet. So if you don't have white beet, you can use prawns or dried anchovy, some sea salt from Bali, and mushroom boyong powder. You can also use other boyong powder like a chicken or vegetable. And also I have a fresh water later for boiling the chili, garlic, shallot and tomato. So let's make it. First, I'm going to fry the white beet. So add the coconut oil. I put down the heat into medium. The oil is hot enough. Add the white beet. Keep stirring it and we cook it until light brown. Don't get it burned. So the white beet is ready. So let's put it aside. So let's move the oil. I'm going to use this oil later to fry the green sambal. So here is this looks like after we fried it. Let's put it aside. Next, I'm going to boil chillis, shallot, garlic and tomato. So add some fresh water. I'm going to cut the big green chili into quite a big chunk. Add it into the pan. And I cut the shallots into 2 pieces. Add into the pan and cut the green tomato. Add small green chilies and garlic. Pinch of salt. Turn on the cooker into high heat and we're going to boil it for 2 to 5 minutes or until they're soft enough to grind. So the chili, shallot, garlic and tomato is ready. I'm going to turn off the cooker and transfer into the mortar and pestle. It smells so fresh. So add the fresh lime juice. So I just remove the seed. Add 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Mushroom boyong powder. Half of the white beet, because another half later I'm going to use it as a garnish. And now let's grind it. Roughly grind it. The smell is so yummy, my mouth starts watering. Now I'm going to add the sambal into the oil. I put the heat low to medium and cook the sambal slowly for 2 to 5 minutes. Don't let it burn. Stir it occasionally. So now it's ready. Let's plate it. Yummy, yummy. Add the rest of the whitebait. So let's slice the lime as a garnish. So here we are, Sambal Lado Mudo from West Sumatra. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes. And also I'm opening my cooking class in Bali. If you are in Bali and would like to join my cooking class, please drop me your email. I put my email address in the description below. And I hope you enjoy the video. Matur Suksma. Bye-bye.